So let me give you guys a little bit update about our trip. We plan to stay at Mount Abu for 3 days, then go to Udaipur, take a flight back to Mumbai. Best, cool, but my Indian parents decided that we'll go to Nathdwara slash Srinathji, which is like from 180 kilometers from here, which will take around 4 hours because they are a big fan of temples and preacher of God. To all the people who do not know what Nathdwara is, it is a place where like you can have 5 to 6 darshans per day. So like they were like too pumped and too psyched to go there. So like we are going there and that sucks, but can't help it because they are paying for the trip. So I need to do whatever they say. So like that is that. Okay, so the last 2 days of the trip will be at Nathdwara and then to Udaipur again and then a flight to Bombay. So yeah, that's all what I wanted to tell you guys. So stay tuned for the Nathdwara experience. Okay, so this is the seating arrangement which we went for in our bus. This is not the regular seating arrangement, like this is not the regular seats which we go, but it is like some cabin sort of setup because apparently my dad thought this would be more comfortable. But let's see. So finally we are in a hotel room in Nathdwara. I don't think there is much to do today. By the way, what is the day today, Dara?
It's Monday.
It's Monday. What? It's Monday?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh shit! It's Game of Thrones Day! Yeah!
The next day.
So little update, it is currently the next day. Now we are checking out from a Nathdwara hotel and we are taking a taxi to Udaipur airport. So that is basically the agenda for today. I will try my best to make the vlog as much interesting as possible. Mummy and Dara are having a dish called dal bati, which is like speciality of Rajasthan. So since now mom and Dara are done with their lunch, now it's our time to have lunch. So most probably I will be ordering chole bhature or a Punjabi dish and naan, I don't know. Let's see. If you guys like what you see, I will serve you a little bit. Right now we are in our car and en route to Udaipur airport. So let's talk a little bit about my trip. Mount Abu. It was the first time I visited Mount Abu. It was sick. The weather was awesome. A nice and a healthy break from Mumbai's hot and humid climate. Let's talk about the people. The people of Mount Abu were like amazing. They were so helpful and so sweet. Like seriously, Mumbaikars need to learn something from them. The best part about the trip was the bike ride which we had. It was our best. I can't stress it anymore, but it was our best decision to hire a motorcycle because in a car you can't get the same feeling as you get in a motorcycle or open jeep. And I'm sorry if I look like a douche wearing these sunglasses, but there are two main reasons I wear sunglasses. Very first reason, because when I'm not wearing my sunglasses, I look like a retard. Because see, now I'm looking on the screen and I look like a completely retard, and now I'm looking at the camera and now I'm looking good, but we have a tendency to look at our own self. So reason one, to not look like a retard, and reason two, because it makes me look cool. So finally we are here, Maharana Pratap Airport, Udaipur. this is our flight. This, yeah. AIC 44 scheduled 17:20. It is still 2 hours more for a flight to take off. So finally got our boarding pass. I'm headed towards our plane. Just done with my security check. It was pretty hectic because like I had my power bank in my pocket, so I need to take 2 to 3 more rounds. So finally our flight has landed to Maharana Pratap Airport. So right now we are boarding the flight. We are not the first one, neither the last one. We are in the middle. So yes, now pretty excited to go into the flights. Was not expecting this, but it looks pretty good.
A few moments later.
So finally reached Mumbai airport, and now I will take a taxi back home. Here. Back to Mumbai. Dude. So if you like today's video, do hit that thumbs up button, share this video, and do subscribe to my channel because there are more such amazing videos coming on this channel very soon. Don't be shy, comment down below and tell me how do you like the video. It's pouring outside. Wow. And if you haven't checked my last video yet, click down below or the links in the description, or there will be cards popping up there. Okay, bye.